How to sell AI websites to local businesses using GoHighLevel. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sell websites to local businesses. Now, a lot of people don't realize how simple website creation has been made using GoHighLevel. So if you want to upgrade your business, then make sure to check out GoHighLevel. It's linked in the description down below and you will get a free 30-day trial. Now, once you've signed up on GoHighLevel, before you start creating your websites for businesses, first off, I want you guys to understand what GoHighLevel really is and what it can do for you. So using GoHighLevel, you can provide different businesses with a full marketing and lead management platform. And you can pitch your website or you can also pitch just your marketing service. So with GoHighLevel, you can open an agency account and then you can create sub-accounts to represent different businesses that you're working with. If a business chooses to purchase a website, you can provide them with only a website. But if they want your complete setup, then you can create a complete account with lead management system, sales management, AI automation, and full-fledged marketing, and then sell them that. That is obviously going to be a lot more value, and that is the way that I like to pitch my deals, is that I start off by communicating with businesses that don't have a good website. Then I build them a sample website using GoHighLevel, and then I tell them a value proposition. Hey, a website would be amazing, but what if you utilize XXX or whatever, XYZ, whatever solutions you can provide them. This can be AI agents, this can be, invoicing, this can be a unified platform with opportunities and lead management. So you pitch them all of this after you have enticed them or after you know that they're interested in the website. Now, I like to set up all the businesses separately, and once you've set up the businesses separately, you're gonna go into sites on the bottom left, and once you go into sites on the bottom left, you guys can see I have a couple of funnels, and then if I go into websites, I can create different websites. So from here, you're going to create a website. But before we get started with creating a website, the question that I get from so many different people, and I understand this question as well, because how do I find a local business that doesn't have a website or that has a really bad website? Well, all you need to do is head on over into Google and then search for any niche. This can be salons, this can be tech repair, this can be car repair, this can be plumbers, this can be a gardener, this can be any type of local business where it's usually a physical business. So this isn't gonna be like a digital business because most digital businesses have set up their website. So you're looking for local businesses, and you might even know a few that don't have a website. Maybe you get your lawn mowed by a certain company every month, but you don't even know their website or if they have one. So you can look those kinds of businesses up. I've just searched for car repair in Texas, and these are the search results. And this particular car shop, which is called Texas Auto One, they have pretty decent ratings. They have 4.6 stars out of 5 and 130 reviews, but they don't even have a website. So what I would do is that I would create a sample website for them using GoHighLevel, and then I would pitch it to them. I can contact them via their phone number. I can ask them for their email address so that I can share my value proposition with them. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to be a car repair shop. Let's say I want to search for plumbers in Texas, and then you guys can see there are a bunch of different plumbers, and I'm going to just look around and see which one does not have a website. And it's not even limited to only trying to find businesses that don't have websites. You can even look at the website. So you can check out the website that they have, and when you check out the website, you want to see, does it work well? Is it actually a fully functional website? Does it actually show all of the basic information that it needs to show? So what I would do with, let's say, a business like this where they have a website, but I can notice that they don't have a chat bot in their website. So you guys can see there's no option to chat directly with like an AI agent. So I would introduce them with an AI agent and, pitch them that instead. So let's say I want to search this area, and let's say we're going to go into Mexico, search this area, or plumbers in New Mexico. And then from there, you're just going to try to find some local businesses. So you guys can see the second search result. They have over 800 reviews, but they do not have a website at all. So this is, again, another great opportunity. And these are just a few quick and easy Google searches that you guys can do as well. So again, you're going to follow the same formula. Then you can go into any AI tool. So you can use Perplexity, you can use whatever platform you like. So I'm going to go into Perplexity AI, and you can ask it to write a professional email. So I'm just going to ask you to write a professional email where I pitch my service. I create websites using GoHighLevel to a local plumbing business which does not have a website. And then just like so, I'm just going to let Perplexity do all of the hard work for me, and I'm going to let it draft my email. Now, in the meanwhile, the next thing you're going to do is actually create at least a sample website, because whenever you're pitching these kinds of ideas to local businesses, they're going to ask you for proof of concept. Because sure, having a website sounds amazing, but they're probably going to say, hey, our business is running well. I already have this many Google reviews. I get, bookings. I don't need a website. Why should I opt in to purchase a website? Or what good is it going to do? Or why can't I just build it myself? What is going to be so different in the website that you're going to provide? So for that, you need to have a good example website or a good sample website that is ready so that you guys can show. If you have previously worked with a client, you can display that. Or because we're just starting out, we are going to just build a sample website, and then you can show it to them and be like, hey, this is the kind of website I can build for you. So to do that on GoHighLevel, just go into websites, click on create new, and then just go into templates. You don't need to start from scratch. GoHighLevel has a template for it. Everything. Search for the industry that you are in. So let's say I'm searching for plumbing over here, and there are a bunch of different templates that I can utilize. I want something that's very clean and professional, so I like this one a lot, and I'm just going to choose this template. Once I've chosen the template, I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds, and just like so, our template has been loaded up. And once our template has been loaded up, we're just going to start customization. And customization on GoHighLevel's website builder is very simple. So you just click any element that you have, and then on the right side, it opens up a pop-up. In this pop-up, you can change the brand logos, styles, and the content that is present. You can even directly just click on settings and it would open pretty much the same thing. Then on your top left, you have the ability to add elements. Then you can manage your layers, your pages, your tracking code. This is very technical. You don't need that. And then you have your backgrounds, pop-up settings, your SEO metadata, cookie consent, as well as the 2-column mode. So you can just keep this open on the right side so that you're able to make edits as you go. Then click on save and publish, and just like so, your website is ready for sampling. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and make sure to check out the link in the description down below to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.